As men cross 50, the body's natural rhythms begin to shift, energy can dip, sleep may feel lighter, and vitality isn't always as predictable as it once was. Yet one simple nightly habit can make a powerful difference, according to Dr. Julia Close. Taking a single targeted vitamin before bed can support healthy potency, restore vigor, and promote deeper, more rejuvenating sleep. It works with the body's natural repair cycle, helping you wake up stronger, clearer, and more energized for the day ahead. Taking a targeted vitamin in at night can have a profound effect on potency and vitality, especially for men over 50. As men age, testosterone levels naturally begin to decline, which can lead to reduced energy, decreased libido, and an overall drop in vitality. A carefully selected vitamin, such as one rich in zinc, magnesium, or certain adaptogenic herbs, can support the body's production of testosterone, helping to restore balance and improve sexual health. These nutrients help optimize hormone levels, enhance circulation, and reduce stress, which are all key factors in maintaining strong vitality. By incorporating this vitamin into a nighttime routine, men can support the body's natural processes during sleep, a time when cellular repair and regeneration occur. This support can lead to better blood flow, improved stamina, and heightened energy levels, which are essential for both physical performance and emotional well-being. It's not just about physical function either. When vitality is restored, confidence and overall mood often improve as well. With consistent use, this nightly vitamin can help reignite a sense of youthful vigor, encouraging men to feel more energetic, motivated, and engaged in all aspects of their lives. Taking a nighttime vitamin that supports deeper, more restorative sleep can be a game changer for men over 50. As the body ages, natural sleep cycles often become lighter and more fragmented, making it harder to reach the deep sleep stages responsible for true recovery. A well-chosen vitamin, often one containing magnesium, B-complex nutrients, or calming botanicals, can help relax the nervous system and quiet the mind, allowing the body to transition more smoothly into restful sleep. Deep sleep is where the body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and restores energy levels for the next day. When men consistently achieve better quality sleep, they often notice improved mood, sharper mental clarity, and enhanced physical stamina. This nightly restoration also supports heart health, metabolic function, and immune strength, all of which become increasingly important with age. A vitamin taken before bed works in harmony with the body's natural nighttime rhythms, helping reduce restlessness and easing tension built up throughout the day. Over time, this leads to more consistent sleep patterns, fewer nighttime awakenings, and a greater sense of rejuvenation upon waking. Better sleep doesn't just improve how a man feels at night. It elevates his performance, focus, and vitality throughout the entire day, boosting energy and overall well-being with a simple nighttime vitamin can be a powerful way to revitalize men over 50. As energy levels often fluctuate with age due to hormonal changes, lifestyle factors, and stress, a well-chosen vitamin can help address these concerns by promoting better nutrient absorption and supporting the body's natural healing processes overnight. Vitamins such as vitamin D, B12, and magnesium are known to have energizing effects and play key roles in optimizing metabolic function and reducing fatigue. In addition to combating physical fatigue, these vitamins also help support mental clarity and emotional well-being, which can often feel depleted as men age. By ensuring the body is receiving the nutrients it needs for repair and recovery during sleep, men can wake up feeling more refreshed and ready to take on the day. This translates to a stronger sense of vitality, improved motivation, and better focus, which in turn can lead to greater productivity and a more active lifestyle. As energy improves, so does overall quality of life, whether that means feeling more confident in daytime day activities, or having the stamina to pursue new hobbies or engage in physical exercise. The benefits of taking a vitamin at night go beyond just physical health. They contribute to a renewed sense of vigor and an improved sense of well-being. Incorporating a simple vitamin into your nightly routine can make a significant difference in how you feel and function as you age. For men over 50, prioritizing vitality, restful sleep, and sustained energy is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. With the right nutrients, it's possible to restore balance, improve potency, and wake up each day feeling more energized and rejuvenated. A small but impactful change at night can help you embrace each new day with greater vigor, confidence, and a renewed sense of purpose.